So Puneet has a recurring deposit account in a Bank of Baroda and deposits rupees 140 per month for 4 years. So 140. So that 140 is P is equal to 140 rupees for how many years? 4 years. So N is equal to 4 years. So which is equal to 4 into 12, which is equal to 48 months. 48 months. Then next step. Those who don't know, please follow me. Others, you can do your own. If he gets, so maturity value is equal to 8,092 rupees on maturity. Find the rate of interest given by the bank. So R is equal to question mark. We want to find out R. So maturity value formula is P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So maturity value 8092 is equal to 140 into 48 plus P 140 into 48 into 49. 48 plus 1. 49. 2 into 12 into R. We don't know. R by 100. So cancellation. After that, what answer you are getting? So answer is what? Message is that. So 8092 minus 6720 is equal to 686R divided by 5. So subtract this. What you will get? 1372. Correct. Then 1372. Okay. Then so it is 686R divided by 5. Then cross multiply. So 686R is equal to 1372 into 5. So R is equal to 1372 into 5 divided by 686. So final answer is what? Okay, so cancel. You will get it 10. So you want to write it as 10%. So rate of interest is 10%. What? 2. So 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Then here 6 2s are 12, balance 1. Then 8 2s are 16, again balance 1. 6 2s are 12. Again, which one possible here? Basil, any idea? Can we check with 3? So answer is 6860 divided by 686. So cancel. So 10. R is equal to 10%. David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received rupees 7,725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So what are the things given? Rupees 300 per month for 2 years. So P is equal to 200 rupees. Then for N is equal to 2 years. So 2 into 12 is equal to
300.
Ma'am, 300.
300.
okay, 3 first. Okay, 300. N is equal to 2 years. So 2 into 12 is equal to 24 months. Then next is what? R we want to find out. Maturity value is given as 7725. Maturity value 7725. R is equal to question mark. We want to find out that. So maturity value formula P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So substitute the value 7725 is equal to
300 into 24 plus 300 into 24 into 25.
24 into 25 divided by 2 into 12.
2 into 12 into R by 100.
So after cancellation,
200 plus 75 R.
after cancellation you will get 75R. 75R. Anyone have any doubt in that cancellation? Please tell me. 7725 minus 7,200 is equal to 75 R. 7725 minus 7200. What is the answer?
525.
520. 525 is equal to 75 R. So R is equal to 525 divided by 75, which is equal to cancellation 5. Table of 5 possible. That is easy, no? Okay, 7%. Answer is 7%. 7%. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2,500 per month for 2 years. So, what is that? P is equal to, right now, P is equal to rupees
2,500.
2,500. Then, for 2 years, so N is equal to 2 years, which is equal to 2 into 12, which is equal to 24.
24.
24 months you should write. 24 months. Then at the time of maturity he got. So maturity value is equal to 67,500. 67,500. So if we want to calculate I is equal to question mark, then R also we want to find it. So from this we can calculate R first. So maturity value formula, maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. R by 100. MB 67,500 is equal to P 2,500 into 24 plus
24 plus 2,500.
25 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So final 67500 is equal to 2,500 into 24 is what? 60,000?
60,000.
3,000. Okay, 60,000 plus. After cancellation, you will get it as this term, full term.
25.
625. 625 plus 625 R. Subtract, okay. So 67
10,500.
10,500.
is equal to 625 R. 7,500 is equal to.
Well, ma'am, answer.
So R is equal to 7,500 divided by 625. So what about, let's say, okay, 12%. All got 12%, you know. I'm looking the message.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
R is equal to 12%. Okay. Next, we want to find out which one I we want to find out. I. So how can we do that? I. Any idea? Tell me. So I is equal to sum, write down sum deposited is equal to P into N. If we want to find interest, so interest is equal to maturity value minus sum deposited. Here, what is the maturity value? Now we got it as what? From the question, 67,000.
7,500.
Sum deposited, what is that sum deposited? Sum deposited means what? P into N. We know the formula. Sum deposited means
2,500 into 24.
minus P into N.
60,000.
60,000.
60,000. 1,500.
7,500.
7,500.
7,500 rupees. 7,500 is the interest. Okay. 2B, 7th one. Deepa has a 4-year recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 1,800 per month. If she gets rupees 8,450 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest. So what are the things given? Any idea? Tell me. What are the things?
P is equal
N
to
equal to
Equal to
rupees
4 years.
4 years
is equal
48
to
months.
48 months.
48 months.
8 months. Right down.
48.
Right down. Is equal to 48 months.
P is equal to 1,800.
And deposited 1,800 per month. So P is equal to rupees 1,800.
1,800.
Very good. 1,800. If she gets that much amount at the time of maturity, so what is that maturity?
MV is equal
Yeah,
to
is equal to what?
1 lakh
108545.
1,88,450.
8,450. Okay. Then next step, what we want to find out? R is equal
Right.
to question mark. R we want to find out. So formula for finding the maturity value is what? Formula. Write the formula. M B is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So 1 lakh 8,450 is equal to P into N. So 1,800 into 48 plus again P 1,800 into N 48 into 40 149 divided by 2 into 12 into R we don't know. So R by 100. So do the calculation. 1764 R. So next is what? 108450 minus 86400 is equal to 1764 R. So 22050 is equal to 1764 R. So R is equal to 22050 divided by 1764. After cancellation, you will get it as 12.5%. So Shahrukh opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 800 per month. 800 per month. So what are the things given? P is equal to 9th question, 2B 9th question. Recurring deposit account. So P is equal to rupees 800 per month for 1.5 years. So 1 by 2 years. How can we convert that 1 by 2? 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1.
18 months.
2 years. So which can be written as 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 3 months
Answer
is equal to
18 months.
2 into 12. So 6 times 6 3s are 18 months. So which is equal to 18 months. Next is what? R we want to find out. Next step. He received a maturity value. At the time of maturity, he received 15,084 rupees. At the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So maturity value formula for finding maturity value. Write the formula. Completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So tell me the values. 15084 is equal to
My
800 into 18 plus 800 into 18 into 19 by 2 into 12 into R by 100.
by 2 into 12 into R by 100.
so
15084 is equal to 14400 plus 114 R.
40.
00 plus
114 R.
11
4 5
then
15084 minus 14400 minus 114 R.
is equal to 114 R.
684 is equal to 114 R.
684 is equal to 114 R. So R is equal
Ma'am,
684.
4 5 6 R by 4
to
4 5 6 R by 4
one second. Any corrections there?
14400.
144 one more 4 is there. Okay.
144.
One more 4 is there. Okay. So 6 this, up to this correct. 684 divided by 114. So R is equal to after can
6%.
R is equal to 6%. Okay. Thank you. Okay.